So
What?
so what we gonna do?
What?
Give me the dessert.
A question. Do you have a saying or motto?
Oh, ayan, oh. Ayan.
Yeah.
Motto in life? What is your motto?
My motto in life is very simple.
What?
Keep off the grass.
Mali yung ano mo.
Ikaw ay sayings ka.
Meron. Do not do unto others what you not want others do unto you.
Wow.
Explain.
Sa Tagalog,
Oh.
don't do
Ano? Don't do.
this.
Do not.
Do not do to others.
Do not do unto others.
And then to you.
Oh.
Huwag kang mag-asawa ng kamukha ko. Kung ayaw mo magkaanak ka ng kamukha ko.